Voiceover is a lot of work. Is $15 per job order really worth it? I have the answer to that, plus other top questions from the comment section in this video. So if you're ready, let's get started. Hey, what's happening? Welcome back to Speak Easy. This is where we hang out to talk about your voiceover career, especially if you're just starting out. If we're meeting for the very first time, hello, my name is Anna, and I am a freelance voiceover talent. And really, the goal of this video is to help new and home-based voiceovers with some tips and tricks that I swear by. If you are interested in more videos like this one, please do subscribe to the channel and also hit the notification bell just so you know if I have new videos out. Once again, I just want to let you all know that I'm so grateful for every single comment that I get on YouTube, on Instagram, and on Facebook, telling me how happy you are with my tips and how effective they are, or just asking me questions. And I really, really do appreciate it. And really, I feel that the best way to help you is by answering your questions. So if I see the same question asked more than 3 times, then I include them in top 3 questions from the comment section. So without further ado, let me present today's top 3 questions from the comment section, starting off with question number 3. So question number 3 goes, I have Garageband, the app, I suppose. Will that do? To record your voiceover recording, I suppose, right? I think I'm right. So the answer to that question is yes. All right. I don't use GarageBand. I use Audacity, as most of you know. So I looked it up, and GarageBand is actually capable to record studio quality signal. So if a professional sound is what you're after and you've made some investment in your studio setup and bought good equipment, the results will indeed be studio quality if you use GarageBand. You can add effects and get great mix within GarageBand. So that's according to GarageBand. So yes, you can definitely use GarageBand to record your voiceover recordings. All right, so that's question number 1. Let's head on to the next question. But before that, if you are finding value in this video already, do give me a thumbs up right now, and also share this video to your friends or family who are also aspiring to become voiceover talents. All right, so question number 2. Do you have an agent? Do you get booked overseas? Well, here in the Philippines, I still get some jobs from an old agency that I'm still connected to, although not as many as before the pandemic. And I still have some direct clients who just get me. Most of these are corporations that get me as their regular voiceover talents for their videos or for their events. So I still get those. Now, for bookings that I receive from overseas, I get most of those on Fiverr and very recently on voices.com, but most of them I get from Fiverr. So I usually get it from all over the world, from Australia, Belgium, the United States, Canada. What was my most Venezuela was my most recent one on voices.com. Yeah, I get bookings from all over the world. So there you go. That's the answer to that question. Okay, so last time we had top 3 questions from the comment section. We had a featured comment. So we're going to do the same thing for this top 3 questions from the comment section. So let me get to it. Here we go with our featured comment for today's top 3 questions from the comment section. And I believe this subscriber is commenting from the video whether to sit down or stand up when you are doing a recording session. So the featured comment is from Kara Hill, voiceover artist. She says, great tips. Just recorded my last practice commercial VO sitting down, and you can tell my voice was not very strong and it did not sound as happy as I would have liked. Love your energy. So I guess Kara, like myself, prefers to stand up while doing a recording. Thank you so much, Kara. Thank you so much for all the wonderful comments that you have left. All right, before we move on to the last question, just a simple reminder that if you want to show support for the channel, the easiest way to do that is by liking and sharing the video, and you can also subscribe to the channel. Now, if you want to take it a step further, you can also not skip any of the ads shown in any of the videos on this channel. If you still want to take it a few steps further, you can do so by hitting the super thanks button. That's the little heart icon with a dollar sign inside of it, and send some love my way. So, however, which way you want to support the channel, I am so grateful for them. But do know that I'm happy to share my tips and tricks to you for free. All right, so let's move on to question number one. It says, you should charge more than 15 USD. Voiceover is a lot of work. Well, first of all, thank you so much for your concern. And you're right, voiceover is a lot of work. But honestly, I'm okay with just keeping this rate for now because with this low rate, it's not as low as $5. I know it is still relatively low, but with this rate, new clients find me. And when these new clients find me, they really do tend to become repeat clients for me. So I'm okay for it to be like an entryway for new clients to find me. Number two, remember 15 USD is my bare minimum. All I have to do is record and edit, clean the file, and send it. If I want to charge for provision for revision, I can charge for that. For splitting up the files, for saving it in WAV format, for broadcasting rights, commercial rights, and all of those things. Really, there's so many ways for me to boost up my rate, so I'm okay with starting at $15. And lastly, honestly, I have been getting a lot of custom offers lately, so I haven't been getting a lot of my base rates. But this is because I've really put in the time from when I started at Fiverr, from level 0 all the way to level 2 where I am right now. And I put in the time, so really Fiverr's algorithm is already working for me, and I've been getting clients left and right, and they don't even start at $15 anymore. And by the way, if you're curious about Fiverr seller levels, check out this video. Click the link now and I'll see you there. So keep on sending your questions, and you'll never know, you might be featured on the next top 3 questions from the comment section. And with that, I'll wish you all a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!